Welcome to our channel. Router login 192.168.1.1 problem. Step 1. Check the router connection. Make sure your router is powered on and all cables are connected properly. If you're using Wi-Fi, ensure your device is connected to the router's network before trying to log in. Step 2. Use the correct login address. Open your web browser and type http://192.168.1.1 into the address bar. Do not enter it in the search bar, as this may open search results instead of the login page. Step 3. Restart your router. Turn off your router, wait about 30 seconds, and turn it back on. Once all the lights become stable, try accessing the login page again. Step 4. Verify your device's IP address. Check whether your computer or phone is receiving an IP address from the router. If it isn't, reconnect to the Wi-Fi or plug the Ethernet cable in securely. Step 5. Try a different web browser. Sometimes browser cache or extensions can prevent the login page from loading. Open the router page in another browser or use incognito/private mode. Step 6. Clear browser cache. If the login page looks broken or won't load, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then refresh the page and try again. Step 7. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, temporarily turn it off. These services can sometimes block access to your router's local login page. Step 8. Check the login credentials. If the login page opens but you can't sign in, make sure you're entering the correct username and password. If they were changed previously, use the updated credentials. Step 9. Reset the router. If you've forgotten the login details, press and hold the reset button on the router for about 10 to 15 seconds. This restores the router to its factory settings. Step 10. Update the router firmware. After logging in successfully, check for a firmware update. Installing the latest firmware can improve performance, security, and fix login-related issues. Thanks for watching.